The gap pharmacists feel in achieving the goals and objectives of the strategic health sector reform in Nigeria remains eminent, and the approval of consultant pharmacist Cadre has seen actors in the health sector expressing optimism of repositioning the pharmacy profession for a more improved and quality healthcare services to the people. The development, they also explained, will help consultant pharmacists to dig deep into research and development as well as cutting-edge skills consistent with international best practices. In his submission at the workshop, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health, Abdulaziz Mashi Abdullahi explains that the consultant cadre for pharmacists in civil service in Nigeria was based on well-coordinated government processes and procedures. Organizers of the workshop say it is a starting of series of zonal sensitization targeting consultant pharmacists to familiarizing them with the newly approved cadre as well as the attendant responsibilities.
The attainment of this consultant cadre is an additional knowledge that will be deployed by the pharmacist in respect of integrated healthcare services for the betterment of the patient and for the betterment of the healthcare system.
Those skills and competencies that these pharmacists have labored to acquire from the West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacy has been recognized and officially endorsed by the federal government. And therefore, with such endorsements, they have the capacity within which to go out there and utilize those skills and competencies.
Before now, the pharmacy practice was product focused. But now the new concept now is patient focus. That's pharmaceutical care.
Practitioners in Nigeria's pharmacy profession will in time confirm that this cadre is expedient for the progress and future of pharmacy in Nigeria. In Abuja, Aisha Oba Ali, NTA News.